Talagang nakikinig kayo. Being in the wilderness and away from everyone, John spent time with God, and that was a very important. At that moment, God sent him a mission, and God had a very important message for everyone. While John was walking into the crowd of people, John said to everyone, "Everybody, listen up! Everybody, listen up!" And people looked at him, and they stopped. He said to everyone, "Prepare, for the kingdom of heaven is at hand." It means he wanted people to turn away from the preparation for the coming of the Messiah. John continues to teach people and share the words of God. And in the past, many people listened to him about the words of God. And then, he said to the people, to the crowd, "I am not the Messiah, but he is coming. And when he does, he will be someone so great that I will not deserve to touch his shoes. I am baptizing you with water, but he will be baptized by the Holy Spirit." And the people were amazed. Woo! We're amazed. Ano ang kanilang reaction? Good. Some people said, "I wonder who is the Messiah." By now, Jesus was around 30 years ago. Ilang taon? 30 years ago! And one day, he came to John and said, "Baptize me." What Jesus said? "Baptize me." Yes. John said, "Oh, me? Baptize you? I think you need to baptize me." John replied. Jesus replied, "No, it is right for you to baptize me." So John baptized Jesus in the Jordan River. Where Jesus was baptized? Jordan River. And when Jesus came out of the water, guess what happened next? Meron ba kayong idea kung ano ang susunod na nangyari? Ngayon, babasahin ni teacher. Something looks like a dove comes down and leads to Jesus, and that's the Holy Spirit of God. And when the voice came out in the air and said, "This is my son, who I love very much," people could not believe what they saw and hear. They found that Jesus, who baptized in the Jordan River, is the Messiah. They went home very excited and happy. Nagustuhan niyo ba ang ating kwento ngayon?
Yes, ma'am!
Sino nga ang tauhan sa ating kwento?
John the Baptist!
Sino pa?
Jesus!
Good. Ano ang mga moral lesson na inyong natutunan sa kwento na binasa ni teacher? Anyone? Anyone? Langking. Isa man yung pakinggan. Dapat
Sunod na kay Jesus.
very good. Dapat natin gayahin si John the Baptist na sumusunod sa utos ng Diyos. At makinig, magsimba palagi, makinig sa sino ang nagsisimba tuwing linggo. Very good. And that was a very important na maminaw dito sa words of God. Para good girl and makabuhat ang Handa na ba kayo? Aha, aha. Ah, ready na? Ready na? Aha, aha. Ang pangatlat ng ating tula ngayon ay halaga. Hindi na mabuti ha. Pagsunod kay Jesus, ang buhay ay maganda. Pagsunod sa kanyang utos, kanya'y kakatawa. Pag-ibig at kabutihan, ating nakita. Sa puso't gawa, ito'y ating maganda. Sa pagbabalik loob, tularan si Juan. Pagtanggap kay Jesus ng buong kasiyahan. Sa tubig ng bautismo, tunay na kalinawan. Sa bawat puso mo, walang hanggan. Sa binyag ni Juan, isang sabi, isa ang hatid. Pagpapakumbaba at pagpananampalataya'y nasanib. Sa ngalan ni Jesus, sumikat ang liwanag. Sa kanya ang buhay at daan at pag-asa. Okay lang ba sa inyo?
Yes, ma'am.
Yun lang po, nagtatapos ang aking kwento, tula at anniversary. Maraming salamat po. Pero bago magtatapos ay merong hinanda si teacher na konting pasasalamat sa inyo bilang sa ano niyo kanang bali kanang nabinaw ko mo kay teacher and then nag-respond ko mo sa teacher is naayatan nagmay lang ni siya kay normal makaya ni teacher kay wala pa man pud na work si teacher no so kanilang sa nilang hatag ni teacher ang ta ma-appreciate